H2O's platform supports the full cycle of ML and AI models, giving users the tools that they need to effectively manage updating, retraining, and deactivating models. We'll start in MLOps. Here, I have a project where a data scientist has built several models. This could include optimization, simulation, or rules-based models that have been containerized, or AutoML experiments built in driverless AI. It's easy to register a model. Mostly, I need to say if it is a version of an existing model or something brand new. I can also review any parameters or metadata and leave information about the model version for my colleagues. Here I have a single deployed model based off of something that I've registered. New versions can be introduced gradually using the Champion Challenger framework, which allows us to test and compare a new model to what's already in production. We could deploy it as A/B testing as well to evaluate the new model side by side with existing ones before fully promoting it to production. When a model is no longer needed, it's either underperforming or it's been replaced, it can be deactivated with a single click. So far, we've looked at everything from a manual UI perspective, but what happens when you're ready to automate this? Well, everything's a Python API. When I go to the driverless AI UI completed experiment page, I can find the Python code that was used behind the scenes to create this model. Using this, along with code from my organization on how to fetch new data, I can easily create a pipeline for retraining a new data set. This I can put in a runnable object in the orchestrator UI. By creating runnables, I can then string them along together as parameterizable pipelines from the workflow UI. I can choose how often I want this workflow to run. For some use cases, maybe you want to weekly build and compare a challenger model to what's in production. In other cases, you might want to check every 5 minutes for drift, and then if there is any, automatically train and deploy a new model.